So I'm very, very bullish on GameStop stock. Why? Because of the short interest in it. There is 68.3 million or 68.4 million shares shorted on the exchange, and off exchange is more than 46 million shares. So that's basically naked short selling. And so the short interest is extremely high right now. According to some people, the short interest is so much higher than what it was back in 2021 when there was a short squeeze. That if the market, which is made up of a bunch of retail investors and some institutions and hedge funds and people trading the stock on volatility, decide to destroy the short sellers, we could see the stock easily go back to 30, 40, $50, even with a stock dilution that's happening right now. The stock dilution is not a bad thing. It's a really good thing. This makes the company more fundamentally stronger, with $4+ billion on the balance sheet. So you can't argue that the stock dilution is bad. The only reason why the stock got destroyed is because we got some people probably selling off the stock because of the stock dilution news. B, you got heavy dilution. A heavy short interest that came in. Like some people said that 130 million shares got shorted that day. Maybe some got covered, but currently, over 100 million shares are shorted. So heavy. That's a lot of short interest right now. And if retail, and over the weekend, there's a lot of retail can do their research, think about the stock, and have a game plan for Monday. So I don't know if the stock is going to pull back even further. Like if this thing on Monday, if this thing goes down to like $25 US, I'm probably gonna buy some. So I'm gonna add more to my position because I feel safe with this company now. Like I feel like it's going to be volatile, and I'm going to trade some of it, but I do feel like this is a safe company to invest into. Again, not financial advice, just my opinion. It's just because there's no debt on the balance sheet, so the company is not going to go bankrupt, and they're raising another $2+ billion of cash, giving them over $4 billion of cash on their balance sheet. So how do you be bearish on a company that has $4 billion of cash on their balance sheet and zero debt? How? Like, are you like? You have to be like mental to be bearish on those fundamentals. My opinion. So remember Canopy Growth when Constellation Brand invested four billion US, 5 billion Canadian dollars on the stock. This is dilution. But the thing was, people's investment thesis behind this was that big company like Constellation Brand, alcohol company, is interested in the cannabis space, but Canopy ultimately failed. Like they gave them $5 billion, but Canopy did not spend those $5 billion well, and actually destroyed shareholders' value big time. So that's the reason why the stock tanked really bad, because they were terrible at spending that $5 billion of cash. Will Ryan Gohan be terrible at spending $4 billion US? I don't know. Right? I don't know at the end of the day, but he's been in business for a long time. He started up his own company called Chewy. He successfully sold it. He has almost he's like, I think his net worth is $4 billion at the moment. So he's got a lot of money. He's not stupid. At least I don't think so. And he's. I think he'll be able to spend the money wisely. Again, I don't know. Pure speculation on my part. Not financial advice, but short term, this thing is not bearish. Not unless they start making terrible investments and lose a lot of money. Unless that happens, I don't think I'm not bearish on the stock at all. We'll see what happens in the future, but short term I'm bullish. Long term I'm also kind of bullish. So again, you do what you want. It's your money at the end of the day. I'm just saying that I think GameStop could be well, it is a turnaround story. You can't deny $4 billion not a turnaround story. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.